Ever wondered how you can make money online without selling your own products? Affiliate marketing might be your answer. It's a unique and prosperous field that's been gaining traction for years now, and it's not hard to see why. Imagine being able to earn a commission by simply promoting other people's or companies' products. That's essentially what affiliate marketing is. It's a performance-based business where you, the affiliate, are rewarded for each visitor or customer brought in by your own marketing efforts. This field has proven to be a popular method for making money online, and there's a good reason for that. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical know-how or previous business experience. As an affiliate marketer, you're your own boss. You decide what products to promote, when to work, and how to work. Additionally, with the right strategy, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative source of passive income. Of course, like any business, it requires careful planning and strategic execution. There are numerous tips and tricks to navigate the landscape of affiliate marketing, especially for beginners. From choosing the right niche to leveraging social media, every decision you make can significantly impact your success. Stay tuned as we delve into the 9 best affiliate marketing tips for beginners. These tips are designed to help you navigate the world of affiliate marketing, maximize your earnings, and ultimately succeed in this exciting online venture. The first step in successful affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. It's the foundation that sets the tone for all your future marketing efforts. Now, you might be wondering, how do I choose the right niche? Well, it's a blend of personal interests and market demands. Selecting a niche that you're passionate about will keep you engaged and motivated. This enthusiasm will shine through your content, making it more appealing to your audience. But passion alone isn't enough. You also need to consider the market demand for your chosen niche. For instance, you might be passionate about vintage typewriters, but if there's no sizable market for it, your affiliate marketing efforts might not yield the desired results. So do your research, find out what people are buying, what they're interested in, combine this knowledge with your passions and interests, and voila, you've got your niche. Remember, a profitable niche is one that you are passionate about and has a sizable market. Once you've found your niche, it's time to research affiliate programs. This is a crucial step. Not all affiliate programs are created equal, and you don't want to waste your time promoting products or services that won't earn you a decent commission or that your audience won't love. So, how do you go about it? First, look at the commission rates. Higher rates often mean higher earnings, but don't be swayed by high rates alone. It's equally important to consider the quality of the products or services you'll be promoting. Remember, your reputation's on the line here. Also consider the support the program offers. Will you have access to promotional material and guidance? And don't forget to check out the payment terms. How and when will you be paid? Take your time to weigh these factors because choosing the right affiliate program can make all the difference in your success. Next, you'll need a platform to promote your affiliate products, and a high-quality website is crucial. It's your online storefront, the face of your business to the digital world. It's not just about aesthetics, but functionality. Your website needs to be easy to navigate, quick to load, and mobile-friendly. Remember, first impressions matter. A professional-looking website can establish trust with potential customers, and trust leads to sales. Think about the websites you enjoy visiting. They're likely clean, organized, with clear calls to action. That's what you should aim for. But how do you create such a website? You don't need to be a coding genius. There are plenty of website builders out there like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace that offer customizable templates. You can also hire a professional web designer if budget allows. Invest time and resources into your website. It's your business's digital real estate. A high-quality website can boost your credibility and increase your affiliate sales. Now that you have a website, it's time to fill it with valuable content. And what does valuable content mean? It's content that is not only interesting and engaging but also useful and relevant to your audience. It's about solving problems, answering questions, and providing insights that your audience is actively seeking. Creating valuable content is like laying the breadcrumbs that lead your audience to your affiliate products or services. It's the magnet that attracts traffic, the glue that builds trust, and the trigger that prompts conversions. Think about it this way. If you were on a journey and you found a map that leads you to your destination, wouldn't you follow it? That's what your content should be, a map to the solutions your audience is looking for. So how do you create this map? Start by understanding your audience's needs, challenges, interests. Then create content that addresses these aspects in a meaningful and engaging way. Never underestimate the power of good content in affiliate marketing. This is your golden key to unlocking a world of opportunities. Traffic is the lifeblood of any affiliate marketing business, and SEO is a powerful tool to drive it. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the art and science of making your website more visible to search engines. It's about understanding what people are searching for, the answers they are seeking, and the type of content they wish to consume. Let's break it down. SEO involves keyword research, where you find words and phrases related to your niche that people are using in their searches. By incorporating these keywords into your content, you can rank higher in search results, leading to more visibility and more traffic. Another crucial aspect of SEO is link building. Having high-quality links pointing to your website can improve your site's authority, making it more likely to rank higher in search results. Let's not forget about on-page SEO. This involves optimizing individual web pages so that they rank higher and earn more relevant traffic. With the right SEO strategies, your affiliate website can reach a wider audience. Social media is not just for sharing selfies and memes. It can be a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. It's a vast digital landscape where you can promote affiliate products and engage with potential customers. Let's dive into how you can harness this power. Firstly, identify the platforms where your target audience spends most of their time. It could be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or even LinkedIn. Each platform has its unique characteristics and user base. Understand these subtleties and tailor your approach accordingly. Next, create engaging posts about your affiliate products. Share stories about how these products have solved real-life problems. Remember, authenticity is key. People can tell if you're just trying to make a quick buck. Lastly, interact with your audience. Respond to comments, answer queries, and be a part of the conversation. Building relationships with your followers can turn them into loyal customers. In conclusion, leveraging social media can take your affiliate marketing efforts to the next level. Building an email list is a proven strategy for increasing affiliate sales. You see, when you build an email list, you're not just gathering addresses, you're creating a community of interested and engaged individuals who are more likely to be receptive to your recommendations. Think of it this way. An email list is like having an audience that has chosen to listen to you. They're interested in what you have to say, and they're more likely to trust your advice. This trust can translate into higher conversion rates. So, how can you build an effective email list? Start by offering something valuable in exchange for an email address. It could be a free ebook, a discount code, or exclusive access to content. Make sure to communicate regularly with your list, but don't spam them. Provide value, build trust, and the sales will follow. Remember, patience is key here. Building a substantial email list takes time, but it's worth the effort. An email list can be a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Last but not least, monitoring your success is crucial in affiliate marketing. You've put in the work from choosing your niche, researching programs, building your website, creating content, driving traffic, leveraging social media, to building an email list. Now it's time to see the fruits of your labor. But how? Well, it's all about performance tracking. This involves regularly reviewing and analyzing your affiliate data to understand what's working and what's not. Look at the metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall revenue. Are your SEO efforts driving enough traffic? Is your content engaging enough to convert visitors into customers? Use this information to adjust your strategies. Maybe you need to tweak your content, or perhaps it's time for a different approach to social media. The key here is to make data-driven decisions, not guesses. And remember, the journey doesn't end here. Keep monitoring, keep adjusting, keep improving. Remember, what gets measured gets improved. So there you have it. 9 actionable tips to kickstart your journey into affiliate marketing. We began by highlighting the importance of choosing the right niche. Remember, it's all about finding an area you're passionate about, but also one that has potential for profitability. We then delved into the significance of researching affiliate programs. It's crucial to find a program that not only aligns with your niche, but also offers a generous commission structure. Next, we emphasized the need for a high-quality website. It's your digital storefront, and it needs to be both attractive and user-friendly. Following that, we touched on the creation of valuable content. It's the lifeblood of your website, drawing in visitors and converting them into customers. We also discussed the power of search engine optimization. SEO is your best friend when it comes to driving organic traffic to your site. Then we explored the role of social media in amplifying your reach. It's a potent tool for building relationships and promoting your content to a wider audience. Further, we stress the significance of building an email list. It's a direct line of communication with your audience, allowing for personalized marketing. Finally, we stress the importance of monitoring your success. Regular analysis of your performance metrics is essential to identify what's working and what needs improvement. With these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Thank you for watching.
What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comments section.